Today we are going to make the bed. At least get the bed started, which is not really anything major. Just gonna do a bunch of wooden slats across the top of this, and then we'll start thinking about drawers. But I believe this is going to be somewhere about 60 something inches. 67. All right. 67. Let's cut some dang wood. Next up, I'm going to use these scrap pieces from the bed to finish off that right there, and it fits freaking perfectly. So I just got to get it cut to size. So from there to there. Alright, we're off to Home Depot to get another sheet of plywood. This will be 3 sheets by now. I'm going to get another 1/2 inch because I'm just building some simple little shelving stuff, so nothing crazy. Might even start the bins for the pull-out drawers that will go for the kitchen, clothes, and outdoor gear. So let's go. Now that I got the bed planks in, I need to start creating the, I guess the boxes for, what's going to slide inside of here. That's going to hold clothes and gear, and then the far side is going to be for the kitchen. So I just bought another 3/4 inch piece of plywood, so that's 3 sheets of plywood so far. So what's that around? 140, so like a little over 200 bucks in plywood so far. Jesus. Cool thing is it's all made in Ecuador, and I'm Ecuadorian, so I'm getting wood from like my home country, which is pretty cool. Yep, but today I'm gonna figure out some boxes and gonna put a shelf inside the cabinet here, and that should be it for today. It's like, again, it's freaking hot. It's almost 5 o'clock, and yeah, just need to get that stuff rolling because I'm hitting the road soon. I got another probably 5 days left here at home, and then I'll be doing a lot of the finish work while on the road. So. Should be fun. Oh, come on! Fucking bird just shit out of my wood.
Is that what that splat just was?
Yeah! That splat was loud.
Hey, I heard it.
God damn it.
It's kind of funny though.
What the fuck?
A little bit.
Some bullshit.
Oh, that's a little berry shit.
Yeah, dude. What was it, 23 and a half? There.
How's the thing been running?
Really well. I drove it to Wichita back the other day with my cousin.
Nothings?
Fucking just runs.
Damn.
Very much like my. I think I just fucked up. Very much like my
What was that?
my element. I just did it. I just did it backwards, the way I was like wanting to do it.
Don't put the beer downwind.
Yeah, man, the hens. I don't know why they do that.
They don't
Maybe
get-
they're horny. I hate cutting it the other way though, because this way you're cutting like,
dude, it was
away from the
perfect
meat.
straight though. Like that's the other thing is like
This is exactly what. Look at that. How beautiful that is.
that's what I'm saying. Like your line, like you don't have to worry about how accurate was I? Like no, that thing was straight as an arrow the whole time.
Yeah, these things are great.
That is
tracks.
amazing. Wow.
That way you don't need a fucking table.
Okay, so then you have the two short ones here and the one longer one on the bottom.
The 23.5 is the longer one. So this one goes here.
So that's your
That goes there, and then
These
should fit right here. Okay, they do. Woo! Thank goodness.
I was very worried
There
for a
you go.
minute. I was like, nah, man, math happens, okay? Math happens every day. And they was like, this is right.
Yeah, no, this is it.
Right on.
We're there.
There it is.
Cool.
Yeah.
And that's it.
If it's fucking like when you, wow. Like a fucking, dude, look at that. It's perfect.
Yeah, I just gotta over here. Clean up that wood a little bit. Fucking A. Alrighty then. Get close. Gonna fit. Did I just spill a beer? Nope. Gonna finish it out. Beautiful face that'll go along with all this here as well. I'm gonna be on some drawer slides, so this will be able to come out. All my clothes will go in here. Easy access things. And we'll go back. Boop. Easy day. Just installed a couple little finishing pieces there. It sits up about an inch so that way anything that's inside of there cannot slide out. See, there's plenty of room down there.